You ever feel like making dreams come true? Man, I feel like making more of my dreams come true. The more you dream, the more you achieve, says Michael Phelps. And there's another wonderful quote by Henry David Thoreau who says, "Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined." Isn't that powerful? Live the life you have imagined. Love what you do and do what you love. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. It's a wonderful thought by the late Steve Jobs. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. The late great psychologist William James. Make today tolerable. Man, that's a tough one. You see, the more you know who you are and what you want, the less you let things upset you. Isn't that powerful? Look, the more you love yourself, the less nonsense you'll tolerate. So love yourself more. Know more about yourself. You'll make today more tolerable. You've got this. Man, how many times when you felt like you didn't have it, but you've got this. You see, you can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. The most common way people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any. What a tremendous thought by Alice Walker. Instead of choosing to merely exist, I urge you to experience life. I urge you to live. The late great Muhammad Ali says, "Don't count the days, make the days count." And Oscar Wilde said, "To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people just exist." I decided, you know what? I'm going to live, man. I'm not just going to exist. I make the choice to live. You make the choice to live. Life is grand, man, when you find something that you're passionate about. I hope that this brief message will inspire you, will encourage you, will lift you up in some way. I'm Terry Brown, and I wish you a tremendously, powerfully blessed day today. God bless.